The minute I says to her, the car's about to blow, the car went kaboom. Check us out, man.
Look at this. What's this?
You know?
Look at this. Hello people! Today is the 5th of January. As you can see behind us, there's no Christmas tree.
No Christmas tree.
We took it down, I think
2 days ago.
Yeah. So then a lot of people in Switzerland still have their decorations up because tomorrow, the 6th, is a celebration.
Okay, I didn't know that.
Yeah, they call it dry Konig, which is 3 kings. They celebrate 3 kings, so
Okay.
yeah, so a lot of people have got theirs up still.
Is that to do with the 3 wise men?
Yeah.
Okay. 2018 started out a little interesting for us. Well, you lost
Not
your
so much.
diamond.
Yeah, my engagement ring, I lost my diamond.
She lost her diamond. But there's an upside to that. I mean, you know, you never want to lose your first wedding band or wedding set because that's the one you want to pass on.
I was really upset. I still am.
You know, don't know where she lost the diamond, whether it's in the bedroom here. We've crawled all over the floor trying to find it, but while she was making
Bread.
It's a
quarter carat, and for 10 years, you know, my plan was to upgrade the diamond anyway. The aim is our 10-year anniversary is in a few months.
We are then renewing our vows. It's going to be a big celebration.
It's going to be a big celebration. Today we've got a few things on board.
Yeah.
Well, keeping in line with the New Year conversation. We ate a lot. You know, I critique myself.
February last year, we was in Mexico.
I was looking like a whale.
Oh, those pictures were terrible. I was watching our videos back, looking at our pictures, and then we thought, oh geez, we got to do something about this.
This year, especially before our holiday this year, we usually do everything. We usually do
sit-ups, press-ups, push-ups.
The works.
Everything.
You know, but one thing we're gonna do mainly this year is we plan to buy a I was about to say we plan to buy a trampoline. The whole idea is to jog
on the spot.
Jog on the spot for 40 minutes.
Yeah.
You know, so my plan to lose this belly is to jog on the spot for 40 minutes 3 times a week.
Because I think you got to lose the fat first, and jogging will help
burn all the calories.
Burn the fat, and then maybe 3 months down the line after doing that, or maybe 2, I'm not sure, then you can do the toning exercises, you can do the press-ups, the push-ups and things.
Yeah, commitment is 3 times a week, 40 minutes per jog. And the next thing today is I've got some coconut that I bought for about a week now, 2 weeks.
Yeah.
I've been meaning to make some coconut drops just to show him. So we're gonna do that today, and we're gonna incorporate it in this vlog, but we're really doing it for Sebas Foods.
Yeah.
Channel Sebas Food, our food channel. You know. So without no further ado, I think first thing first, we should jog.
Exercise.
We should get I've done it twice this year already, so this will be my 3rd time, but 2nd time for this week. So
and my first.
And her first, but we're gonna get it in, and then from there we take the
coconut drops.
We take the drops, or take the day as it comes.
The coconut drops can be your reward for jogging.
We're about to get the jogging on the road.
Got our gears on.
We just had to put our jogging clothes on. This is gonna be the cameraman right here for now. All right.
Work for me.
He doesn't require workout, but check us out, man.
Look at this. What's this?
You know?
Look at this.
So Hold on. Hold the camera, Jay. Go behind it. So I'll tell you. Now we can hold our stomach.
Wait till you see after.
Yeah. Okay. I've got a mix that is 38 minutes long.
Okay.
So if we both use the same mix, then we know exactly what we're working with because we'll be wearing our headphones.
This one's gonna get sweaty.
Wrap it with some napkin and stick it in your bra. See, the thing is, it's not bad. As I was saying to Jay, that I don't like the way my stomach is, but the thing is, if I pull my stomach in like that and I can still see my toes, then you're not in bad shape. Any day I try to pull it in like that and can't see my toes, that's when you know you're in bad shape.
What's it on?
So it's on YouTube. It's this one. It's a mix of rock, hip hop, you know, our kind of music.
We did it for like 40 minutes.
40 minutes.
It did not feel like 40 minutes, it was good, and I was worried because I thought, oh, how am I going to rank for 40 minutes on the spot? But
the music.
Yeah.
The music helps. You know, it was a good mix.
Yeah.
It was rock, hip hop, you know, some of our kind of music.
Yeah.
So, really enjoy that. I broke a serious sweat. So, just got out of the shower.
We'll freshen up now.
We're about to do a food vlog.
Yes, for our Sebas Food
for the Sebas Food
channel.
And these are the ingredients I know. So in this one, it's going to be a bit different. Wife for Life is going to be doing the filming because I'm the person that's going to actually
do the
cooking, and these are the things that I'm going to be using there. But we'll put a link below on this day's vlog so you can see
Sebas Food
see
channel.
our Sebas Food channel in this particular thing, if you're interested, you know.
So as hubby is getting the coconut grated, I'll just talk to you for a little bit. It was interesting with the coconut actually because I've never actually taken the juice out of the coconut, or I've never dehusked the coconut. So you know, when I buy coconut, I either buy it already grated, desiccated coconut. So anyway, here is the husk of the coconut. If it was solid, maybe you could make a nice little bowl.
Well, we could still use it, but we would need sandpaper.
Okay, yeah. It's got a little hole in the middle, but
oh, that's the one.
That's the one we used. Yeah, that's the one we used to take out the water. But yeah, look, can probably make something creative. But yes, I've had coconut before, but it didn't look like this. Now in Jamaica, when we have coconut water. They're more green.
That's a jelly.
Jelly coconut, yeah. So there's different coconuts, but
This is dry coconut.
yeah.
I've had Bounty before, does that count?
Bounty. I don't know about that. That's already done and eatable, so no.
This here, what I'm doing, you could actually get this in supermarkets.
Yeah, I've seen it here as well. Yeah.
I'm doing it old school. I'm going with the grater.
Now I know how to prepare the coconut, so let's try a piece.
Yeah, you can eat it. Yeah.
I've had grater cake. I've had a few Jamaican sweets. There's one also made out of coconut called gizzarda.
Yeah.
I love gizzarda.
Yeah, that's
Really
like
love
grater cake in a dough.
Yeah.
Earlier in this vlog we were saying drops.
Yeah.
But it's actually grater cake we're doing. We're about to finish. It's almost done. Maybe another 15-20 minutes. The reason why I always tell you to be careful is because, you know, I put it down to love.
Yes, I know, but telling someone to be careful doesn't stop an accident happening.
Yeah, but it also doesn't stop the person who cared from worrying. You understand? A while ago I was doing the coconut.
Yeah.
And as much as you wanted to help me grate it, you know, I'd rather to get the scratches on my hand than to witness you get the scratches on your hand. See, that's love right there. You know? You know what? I got a story to tell. I got a story to tell. You know, maybe her feelings towards me has changed now. But a couple of years ago, wasn't even so long ago, we were living in England. Maybe it was about 2010. And we had like a serious snowstorm. And we forgot to put the car in the garage. And we put the car on the driveway, and the car froze. And a couple days after it snowed, we decided to go in the car. It's a good day to drive. We were going to see her mom. And as we start driving, right as soon as I entered the highway, I realized the thermometer, it was on high. And I says to her, babe, the car is about to blow.
Yeah, because steam was coming out of the car too.
Yeah, steam was coming out of the car. And the minute I says to her, the car is about to blow, the car went kaboom, right? And there was all this steam in the front of the car. I'm saying to her, babe, you all right? When I asked, baby, you alright? When I looked over, she was gone.
My instinct just
She grabbed Jay. She moved so fast. She grabbed Jay from the back, out of his car seat, and she was this way up the aisleway, man. I'm like, yo, I thought you loved me. I thought we were gonna die together. So right there, I realized that maybe our love isn't so equal. You know what I mean? Because as soon as the car went boom.
Well, I would have expected you to do the same.
As soon as the car boom.
Get out.
I don't know how she moved that fast because you had to open the door, get out, open the back door, get Jay, unhook him from his car seat, and by the time I was like, babe, you alright? She was halfway up the motorway. Baby in hand and everything. Jay was like, what, 9?
Yeah.
At that time?
He wasn't a baby.
He wasn't a baby and she had him like that, you know? My grater cake was a success, and it's drying at the moment, but it dries quick so I can actually pick one up. And this is a Jamaican treat, a Jamaican sweet made out of coconut, sugar, and I use vanilla and ginger. And that's it. So what we'll do, we'll let that cool, and then you could have it with water or you could have it with a glass of milk.
Ooh, glass of milk sounds good.
You know, so
I think I'll have milk.
and that's it. Anyway, Jay can come from behind the camera now because we're about to close out this vlog. So we need the Sebastian trio if we're gonna close out the vlog. Where's everybody? There you go. So hope you guys enjoy this vlog as much as we enjoy
making them for you.
Right. And before we close this vlog, we want to remind our viewers that throughout 2018, we are doing a cash prize giveaway
every month.
At the end of every month. Yeah. In order to enter, all you got to do is subscribe, click that notification button. Next thing you have to do is
comment on any of our videos. #FamilySebasCash.
Including this video.
Yes.
Until then,
ciao for now.
Ciao for now. Peace.